you, Pico Rivera. It is officially summer, and this is how we celebrate.
I'm so glad they have this every year. It's so awesome, and it's free. Love it.
Raised and born here in Pico Rivera. I came to our rancho, and the reason why I'm here is because this is an event that brings everybody together, and it's celebrating our independence.
Mainly the fireworks. We're here for some loud noises and some pretty lights, so this is the place to be. Pico Rivera is a wonderful city. The people are friendly. It's very family oriented. Everyone here seems to love being here. People have lived here for decades, which tells us it's a place that you can really put down roots and make a future with.
Thank you for coming out, and remember, Pico Rivera is the best!